Good day, everyone. In this video, I will briefly cover the contents in Chapter 3, a platform as a service, or you can call it a PaaS, P-A-A-S, yeah. All right, so platform as a service, PaaS solutions provide a collection of hardware and the software resources that developers can use to build and deploy applications within the cloud. So which means that developers do not need to own the hardware or other resources at all. They don't need to do that. Yeah. The service provider, the cloud service provider will provide those solutions. So depending on their needs, developer may use a Windows-based PaaS solution or a Linux-based PaaS solution. The picture here just shows Google's platform as a service. So on the left-hand side will be the developer, and then the right-hand side will be Google's data center somewhere in the world, not necessarily in US, somewhere in the world, but highly likely if you are in US, highly likely the kind of the PaaS platform you will be using will be close to you. So highly likely it will be in US. Okay. All right. So again, the developers just need to use a browser to connect to whatever cloud service provider they use, and then just use the kind of the services over there. So Google App Engine helps developers create web-based applications and then upload the solutions to the Google App Engine to make the application available in the cloud. I believe that pretty soon, or maybe you have done it already, I will ask you to set up some a Google App Engine, kind of some kind of virtual machines, and then you can again set up a web server. Then the service will be available to anyone in the world to use it. Okay, yeah. All right, so the picture here shows the in the early time, kind of computing through the 1960s, mainly will be through mainframe. Okay, yeah. So from kind of 1960s through the mid 1980s, was kind of mainframe driven computing. Okay, yeah. So it started with mainframes. So you can see that. I mean, those will be mainframe machine. They are huge. Okay, yeah. All right, and then in the 1990s, it would be kind of PC based. So PC servers, of course, from the picture you can see that those PCs definitely will be more powerful than the PCs I will be using or you will be using. So they will have more RAMs, more hard drive space, more CPUs. Okay, yeah. So early PC-based servers were tower-based systems with a large footprint. So you can see that it took up a huge amount of space. Yeah. So and also they consume considerable power and generate considerable heat. Yeah. So again, those will be the PC-based solutions. Yeah. Then you have this internet service provider, short for ISP. So ISPs were the first to offer kind of cloud-like remote computing services. Okay, yeah. So again, developers do not need to own or do not need to buy hardware or other resources. The servers will be provided by the ISP. And then again, you just need to connect to the ISP to use the hardware or software. Yeah. All right. Next one, mention about the advantages of internet service providers. Okay, so again, the first one will be reduce the cost. Okay, so the ISP provides the high speed, high bandwidth internet connection, which it shares across several companies, and that's why it can reduce the cost. Okay. And then second one will be less server administration. So the ISP manages the servers, not you, okay, or your staff, okay, to which developers upload their solutions. And third one, less hardware to purchase and maintain. Of course, I mean, you still need to have some in your company or your organization, but then the huge amount of hardware, all resources will be purchased by the ISP. So the ISP purchases and manages the hardware and manages the infrastructure software, such as the operating system. And next one will be a greater system uptime. So through the use of redundant hardware resources, the ISP provides high system uptime. And then the last one will be a potential scalability. The ISP can move a high demand application to a faster bandwidth connection. Pretty neat. Yeah, a nice feature. Okay, and then later on, you have this so-called blade servers instead of PC. So this will be done right. The picture on the right over here will be the PC-based servers. But then later on again, kind of hardware company develop the so-called blade computers. So blade computers are thinner. You can see they're thinner, but then of course, I mean, it is quite powerful as well. So blade computers allow the companies to reduce server footprint, power requirements, and the heat within the data center. Okay, yeah. Okay, and then the picture here shows the all the slides here shows the evolution to platform as a service. So again, between 1960 and 1985 will be the mainframe base. Later on, 85, it will be PC solutions. Around 1990s, it will be then local area network together with PCs and different resources like kind of local area based data storage. And around 1995, it will be the internet web-based solution. Then around year 2008, it will be a platform as a service. Okay, so again, this figure shows the evolution of technology leading to cloud platform as a service solutions. Advantages of a platform as a service. The first one will be a lower total cost of ownership. So companies no longer need to purchase and maintain expensive hardware for servers, power, and data storage. Second one, lower administration overhead. So companies shift the burden of system software administration from in-house administration to employees of the cloud provider. So again, you don't need to hire so many in-house staff. Again, in order to kind of maintain the system software. Okay, yeah. Third one, more current system software. So the cloud administrator is responsible for maintaining software versions and patch installations. Next one, increase business and IT alignment. So company IT personnel now can focus on solutions as opposed to server-related issues. Okay, last one, scalable solutions. So cloud-based solutions can scale up or down. Okay, pretty neat. yeah, up or down automatically based on application resource demands, and companies pay only for the resources they consume. I remember one time I used the example of Black Friday. So maybe on Black Friday, I mean, your company has some e-commerce business over the internet, and then you need more machines, right? So in that case, you can just scale it up, right, through the internet, through the cloud service provider. And once maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks after the Black Friday, then you really don't need to use so many machines anymore. Then in that case, then you can scale it down. Okay, yeah. So you just need to pay only for the resources you consume. Okay, that's all. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so next one shows the one of the kind of pretty famous internet service provider, GoDaddy. Okay, so using the cPanel interface, think of C will be as the control. So using the control panel interface, GoDaddy users can administer databases and other applications. I tried their service once long time ago. It was pretty good. Okay, by the way, I have nothing to do with them at all. Okay, yeah, but I really like their service. I remember that I kind of use the kind of the website hosting service to host some web servers, and I upload my web pages along with other type of applications. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so disadvantages of PaaS. So concerns about data security. So some companies are hesitant to move their data storage offsite. Yeah, especially if the kind of information involved with let's say medical records. So that will be kind of a big issue. Okay, yeah. All right. Next one, challenges to integrating cloud solutions with legacy software. So a company may need to support on-site solutions as well as cloud-based solutions. So communication between the two application types may be difficult or impossible. I remember that someone I know that in their company, they use the kind of the latest .NET services, but then at the same time, they have also have these kind of very old database services like IBM. If I remember correctly, I think IBM AS400 database servers. So according to the person I know, he says that the communication between the two application types are very, very difficult. Okay, yeah. All right, next one, risk of a breach by the PaaS provider. So if the company providing the PaaS service fails to meet agree upon service level, can be different things, performance, can be security. So those so-called service level can be performance, can be security, and availability as well. So again, then those service levels may be at risk, and moving applications moving the application may be difficult. Okay, yeah. So again, maybe some certain applications can need to have a really short response time. Okay, yeah. All right. The next one talks about the big three public cloud providers, and there are many cloud providers. But then here just this the three big ones. The first one will be the AWS. So Amazon Web Services. The next one, Microsoft Azure. Some call it Azure. Okay, whatever you want to pronounce it, it really doesn't matter. Okay, the next one will be the Google Cloud Platform, GCP, and I believe that in our course, we will use the Google Cloud Platform Service. Okay, because I think they have given us each student 50 kind of market $50 market value coupon. Okay, yeah, credit. Okay, so you can use it without providing the credit card. You can use your service without providing the credit card. Okay, yeah. All right, okay, so the figure, the slide over here shows the Microsoft Azure environment. Okay, so services available within the Microsoft Azure environment. Again, there are many services. Okay, so feel free to pause the video, and look at it. Okay, or you can check out the contents in the book. Okay, yeah. Next one, the Google App Engine. So Google App Engine, sometimes called JAS, is a platform as a service solution that let developers create and host web-based applications that reside and run on services managed by Google. Hey, not by you, or your staff. Okay, pretty neat. Okay, yeah. And then, like many Google services and offerings, Google App Engine is a free service. I don't think it's a free service. Okay, yeah, I don't think so. Okay, but then they provide different amount of so-called free trial credit. Okay, yeah, maybe usually it's about $300, I guess. Yeah, for again, for anyone. Okay, yeah. Okay, next one, Google App Engine provides platforms support for a variety of programming languages. So the three most common of which are Java, Python, and Go. Yeah, I know Java pretty well, Python pretty well. I'm not familiar with Go. Okay, yeah. Okay, next one, Google App Engine features include the following. Support for dynamic web pages, data storage and query support, load balancing for application scalability, application program interface, also so-called API support for application-based email through Google services. Next one, a local development. Sorry, let me repeat again. A local development environment that simulates Google App Engine on the developer's computer. Support, next one, support for event scheduling and triggering. Next one, an application sandbox that limits access to the underlying operating system. So again, I mean, you kind of can use the sandbox to try out your platform without worrying about affecting kind of the production line applications. Okay. The last one, an administrative console for managing applications. Yep. All right, last slide. So again, here will be some key concepts we have talk about. Maybe the only one I need to mention a little bit will be the dumb terminal. So in the early days, I mean, when I was a student, maybe I don't know, 30 years ago, there was no PC at the time. There was no PC. So when we need to send email, compile our source code, we always have to use a so-called dumb terminal, which means a computer. Well, if you want to call it a computer, it's fine. Okay, yeah. So you can think of like a computer has kind of a monitor and a keyboard, basically legit, and it connects to the mainframe. And then you can log into the mainframe. You have to, not you can, okay. You have to log into the mainframe to write your code, compile your code, to again do your homework, da, 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 da. So that kind of terminal, we call it a dumb terminal. Okay, yeah. Okay, and then another one over here, IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So when you need to write some software, for example, if you are using Microsoft Visual Studio software, then it provides the code editing editor feature, it provides the compilation feature, it provides the debugging feature, along with other type of features, maybe a documentation as well. So we call the kind of software will be the integrated development environment type software. Okay, yeah. Okay, I think that will be all for this video. Okay, yeah. Have a good day, everybody. Yep.